What's up, you all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shanika, and today I'm going to be doing a wig install on my beautiful cousin Nikki. So if you want to see the ending results, continue watching this video. So as you can see right now, I'm just giving her some cornrows going all the way back, neat and nice and flat. So I just go in with some gel so I can slick her edges back so her edges will be out of the way when I'm ready to lay that lace. So I applied her wig cap off camera. I'm now going to go in with my needle and thread so I can go ahead and sew that cap down to her braids. And then get it on and popping, period. Don't mind us, y'all. We was having a good old conversation. Now that her cap is sewn and secure, I then go in with my Gots to Be gel and just slick that in front over her edges. Once I slick the Gots to Be gel over the cap, I then sit my client under the dryer for 15 minutes. So once that Gots to Be gel dried up, I then go in with the foundation that matches her skin. I told her to bring her foundation. I usually tell my clients to bring their foundation if I don't really have that color. I normally keep all colors on hand, but some of them I just don't have, like the really light ones. So I told her to bring her foundation, and I just placed that over her cap so we can get like a good match. And then I then proceed to cut it off with my scissors. So now I'm just placing the wig over her head, making sure that the wig fits, and just placing it in the areas where I need it to be. Once I got the wig on, I then go in with my scissors and just cut that excess lace off. I don't like to place the glue on and then pull the lace over. I like to cut the lace off and then place the glue. So after cutting all that excess lace off, I then go in with my bold hold by the hair diagram, and I use 3 layers of the glue. So in the mix of the glue drying, I actually went ahead and laid her lace down. My camera did die, that's why I didn't get that footage, but this is how it looks. So after I glued down the lace, I then go back in just to make sure I got all the little pieces off of the lace. Nothing is lifting up, nothing is hanging out. You know, everything is flat and secured. I then go in and, like, you know, part out some of the hair in the front so I can make my baby hairs. I normally go with soft baby hairs or melted baby hairs. It all depends on what my client like, and she liked the melted one, so that's what I gave her. And of course, here is the finished results. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want a more detailed video, just let me know. And I'll get that out for you guys. But I just hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at Hair by Shanika G. That's where I post all my pictures, all of my videos, and everything in that nature. And here's just the finished results. Yes, honey, look at them edges. She looks so pretty, and her hair is so flat and so seamless. I really hope you guys enjoyed.